Hey friends, have you ever wanted to make one of these beautiful china plate wreaths? Well, today I'm showing you how. My name's Audra and this is Living Crafty and Cozy. You are going to want to go to the local thrift store. That's right, no Dollar Tree, no Walmart. Go to the thrift store and find some beautiful coordinating color china plates. And you're going to want about 5 or 7 and different varying sizes and coordinating colors. And you are going to make a circle of them. It's okay that they don't touch. Get a wreath frame, and I am just hot gluing some napkin rings to the back of these plates. I didn't have plate holders, so I did find these napkin rings at the thrift store as well. And I'm just using hot glue, but if you want it to be permanent, you will have to use an E6000 or a Gorilla Glue of some kind. Hot glue is not going to keep for a long while. But I knew I was going to be breaking it apart and everything, so I just used the hot glue. And I'm using these heavy-duty floral stem wire to attach the rings to the wreath form. Keep going in and out and under and over and twist, twist, twist until it's very secure. And then just add a little extra glue at the end, some hot glue to all the nooks and crannies, and make sure it's very secure. You're going to hang it on a wall, so you're going to want it to be secure. And this is the moment of truth. Everything stayed up. We are good to go. Here's where it gets interesting. I'm switching over to the very delicate and small spool of the floral wire, and I am using that to attach my greenery stems. And it just allows me a little bit more flexibility to work with these stems. I also got this beautiful faux greenery at the same thrift store that I got the plates from and the napkin rings. And what I'm doing is I'm just filling in the gaps where my plates don't touch. So it's important that your plates don't touch and make a complete circle. You can do it like that, but if you want to add floral or extra greenery, it's really important that you have some gaps to work around. So here I am. I have a few of these stems and I'm just filling in every single gap where the plates don't meet. And I'm wrapping my floral wire around and around and around to really secure it to that wreath form. And it's really starting to take shape here. I'm filling in my last gap with my greenery. And then I am using some flower picks that I have from Dollar Tree, some peonies and these pink flowers. I'm not sure what they are, but these really look so beautiful. And I had these already and they match the colors on the plates. So I'm just doing the same thing. I'm just wrapping until everything's secure. And there it is, all put together and hanging in my front entryway. I can tell you that this is probably one of the prettiest DIYs I've ever done. I think it's so beautiful. It's perfect for a spring or an Easter tea or brunch. Anything that you want to feel fancy and festive and light. And there it is. I think it would be a perfect tea time brunch decor piece. And I just think it's gorgeous. What do you guys think? Would you add a bow? How would you decorate this? Anyways, like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.